Before first fly, you need to pair a nano drone with a remote controller. First, remove the flight controller from the nano drone. And you will find a small button on the receiver. Press the small button and hold it. Connect the battery at the same time. And you'll see the LED on the receiver is blinking fast. And now press down the bind key on the remote controller and turn on the power at the same time. The remote controller will display RX binding on the screen. Wait until you see the LED on the receiver stops fast blinking. And now the binding is a success. You can now turn off the power of the remote controller and turn it on again. The remote controller will connect to the nano drone automatically. You don't need to do pairing every time you fly. This is only a one-time job. So now you can put back the flight controller onto the nano drone.